Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve Binance 2FA issue easily. I just log into my account and go in the top left corner of Binance logo icon, and after just tap on your username, and inside your username you will see the option of security. So just tap on this security option, which is second, and after inside you will see the Authenticator app. So just tap on this Google Authenticator app and how to reset. So the first method is you can just delete it, which is top right corner of delete icon, and you can just remove the Authenticator app verification and just add it new. And the second method, you can just add it. So are you sure you want to change your Authenticator app verification? So if you want, so just continue. So this is how to solve. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.